Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope that everybody's doing great today. I especially hope that a viewer of mine, a friend of mine, she watches many of our channels. She has a channel of her own. She does ga&en and nails. Her channel name is Val McPossum. She loves to be called McPossum. It's her handle on a lot of things. Even her Instagram account, her Xbox account, everything that I know of has McPossum on it. So I will link her channel up above. Please wish McPossum a very happy birthday. She'll probably be down below in my notification squad, and I'll put up my last video's notification squad up here where I created these. And I'm gonna make her a birthday set of nails. She loves black and hollow, so I'm just gonna get on with it. I'm using clear tips because I'm trying to have a clear part on them, and of course my nails are not clear, so I'm just using some full cover tips. These are BT Art Box false nails. I marked a little spot on there so that, and I did this one a little bit too much, so I'm gonna have to cover it up, but if it doesn't show, I'll just get out another one. I have this tape just off of AliExpress. It comes in a big old roll, and what I'm going to do is just put it down because I'm going to do some kind of black and hollow design. I'm going to go two nails with full hollow. I already know that. I'm pressing it down really, really, really good. And then I'm going to get out my model ones, Cocoa Black. I've had this. This is from my first collection I ever purchased. Actually, I won this collection. And I'm going to do 2 coats, curing in between just like this. But I'm going to take off the sticker tape when I'm curing, just so that it doesn't get stuck in there, because it could get stuck. And I'm going up against the tape, and then I'm pulling everything back so there's not a big lump at the tape. I'm doing it extra thin just because these are the clear tips, and my golly, gel doesn't like to stick to it the cheating way without using the proper prep. So I'm just going to do 2 coats, and I'll cure in between each coat, taking off the label, and I'm pulling the gel away from the sticker and being very careful when I lift it up in between cures, especially since it's on a stand. Lordy, lordy, lordy. Have it stuck to the nail stand. And if you get this, if you get like I did, I gotta touch up that end of the nail since I touched the gel. I was naughty girl. Just clean up the insides a little bit. Now if you have a liner brush and you're capable of doing that line without the tape, go right ahead. You can go up to the line, give both sides, give it a good cure in your lamp. Some lamps take 30, some take 60, some take 45. It all depends. But there's no way to over cure it. So give it a full cure in your lamp and then repeat, give it another cure. Okay, this is what it looks like with 2 coats cured. Of course I didn't do perfect right here, but I'm covering it up with some hollow, and I'm going to use a product. I think I'm going to use some foil, so I'm going to use a product that the Nail Junkie recommended. It's nail foil glue gel off of Amazon. I'll link it below. She did a live video on Facebook, and I saw the replay, and wow, it really seemed to work really well. So I'm going to give this a try. It's my first time using it. Definitely smells like there's some kind of glue in here, but it's not strong unless you stick it up to your nose like I accidentally just did. Going by what she did, she just put it on. And I've got a little hollow powders that were on my skin got on here somehow. but it's okay. It's gonna be hollow out. Give this a cure. Okay, I'm gonna get out some hollow foils and just hope and pray that I got it on there good. It does say optional that you can put a layer of this over top. I'm gonna see if my gel top coat will work without it. I may be not happy. I'm so scared that it's not gonna work. But I already see it lifting off. That is so cool. Look at that. I can see it just lifted right off of there. I mean, I didn't do 100%. I didn't do 100% perfect, but that's pretty cool. You can see where I left a little spot that is not black. I really like that. So I'm gonna give it a top coat, and I'm gonna put a little bit of bling on there. So far, these are the nails I have for her. What I found out a good way to use with the hollow powders is freshly cure the top coat when it's still warm out of the lamp. Put your powder on and then burnish it in. It's working great. What I used was iMethod Beauty's hollow powder they gave me for my birthday last year. It worked great. Let's see this magic again. And you see there's a little bit of hollow on there because I was playing with the powders. It doesn't matter since I'm putting foils on top. I'm assuming maybe fresh out of the nail lamp is best for foil transfer gels as well. Came off my stand. Wouldn't be doing that if it was on my hand. So just rub it down. I'm seeing it lift off. I really want it right here. I don't know if I put the glue down perfectly there. You can see it with these clear ones that they're lifting off. That's so cool, look. Almost perfect transfer. Awesome. So I'm gonna bling these up a little bit for her. I'm just gonna get out my top coat and hopefully let's see if this works. The company recommends putting another layer of their glue gel down first. Give this a flash cure because I'm losing it. I just feel like doing some more on the top. I'm just mixing some caviar beads into the top coat. They're covered, the nails stick, and all that good stuff all at one time. I'm just getting out a brush. I just spilled caviar beads everywhere. Pick up some beads and just place how I want them. Just like if they were in a glitter in gel. I'm gonna give this a cure and work on the other nail. Okay, everybody, here's my design to wish McPossum a very happy birthday. I hope everybody's enjoyed it. I'm gonna take a picture of these in some different light on my hands. I'd like to thank everyone for being here with me today. If you want to see how I made these nails, I'll also link it up above. And anyone else in the collaboration, I will link them up above or down below the video. Usually I do it in both places and at the end of the video. Thank you everyone for being here with me today. Have a great day. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye.